Hi guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com, and this is our November 2019 giveaway and sales video. We've got a ton of great giveaways and sales through 2019, so make sure you subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to be the first to know when we release new giveaways and sales. Plus, remember to tap the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified about each new video. Well, we're into the busiest part of our year here, and to celebrate it, we're going to do one of our biggest giveaways we've done in a while. This month, we're going to be giving away another Butcher Series Grinder, but it's not going to be a number 8, it's not going to be a number 12 or even a 22. We're going to be giving away a number 32 Weston Butcher Series Grinder this month. This grinder has a powerful 1.5 horsepower motor, it's got steel gears and air-cooled motor, and it can grind up to 18 pounds a minute. Also comes with a 5-year warranty. Now this grinder also hooks up to a Weston 44-pound meat mixer to make the whole process of mixing a lot easier. We're also going to include a selection of our favorite seasoning shakers and of course, a Walton's hat and Meatgistics t-shirt. Now this is one of our biggest sales months, but they won't all be coming out today. So we're going to have the pre-Thanksgiving video coming out shortly and our huge Thanks Black Monday sale culminating in a 5-hour-long marathon session live stream with Austin and I. But these sales that we're announcing today are going to start today and they'll go through the end of the month. First, we're going to have the red Santa summer sausage casings on sale. We're taking $5 off per bundle of 25, making them just $15. You should stock up now as these make great Christmas gifts if you make some summer sausage. We've also got the Bloody Mary jerky seasoning on sale for $13.99. You can make some jerky and serve it with Bloody Marys on Thanksgiving to start the eating and celebrating a little bit earlier. Then we have $1 off all Excalibur patty mixes. So save $1 off the garlic and onion, the Montreal, the mushroom, the beefsteak, the bacon flavored, and the jalapeno patty mixes. A new seasoning from Swine is Mississippi Grind, and this stuff is really good. And so you can try it, we're making it just $8.99 this month. You can put this on beef, pork, chicken, or really anything. Deer season is here, and to help you process, we're taking $20 off of our deer loppers. This is the easiest way to remove hooves from deer, wild hog, elk, really any large wild game carcass. Finally, we have $100 off one of my personal favorites, the PK100 Smokehouse. Now, this is the smoker that we use almost exclusively on all our videos here at Meatgistics. We've done hams, bacon, summer sausage, snack sticks, pork loins, chicken wings, ribs. I mean, you name it, we've done it in this smoker. In my opinion, it imparts a smoke flavor similar to commercial smokehouses, and as far as color goes, I think it does an even better job. It's also incredibly well insulated, so it's going to let you maintain temps even in extremely cold weather. It's got a digital control panel and stainless steel for easy cleaning. Basically, this is the last home smoker you will ever need to buy. Keep an eye out for our pre-Thanksgiving sale video, and then make sure you join us on November 25th for our Thanks Black Monday live stream, where we will announce some of our biggest sales of the year. We'll have some short flash sales, which can even be customer requests, and in general, we'll just have a good time. That's going to be a marathon 5-hour one for you, so make sure you join us. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit WaltonsInc.com and Meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with WaltonsInc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.